Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheels, guys. Today we're fishing something exciting, some new Hot Wheels. Let's see, this is a Roadster. I know I did a review on this one. So they came out one of the premium packages for Ninja Turtles. So as you see, they have 5 different ones. I haven't done the review for this Hot Wheel yet, but I will gonna do one of these, but I'll have my kids open it. As you see, this one's Rogue Hog. Number 1 out of 5. So this is going to be Leonardo. Then they got Michelangelo. So my daughter has a Roadster, which is Donatello. And there's Raphael and the Party Van. So anyways, I'm going to have them open it. That's their favorite colors, the purple and the blue one. And that's what they chose for us. So I decided to pick them up. All right, perfect. Now, see, yeah, they have the L and the D on it. So, давайте, открывай, Белла. Давай, ты открывай.
И я.
И ты открывай, да. Дай папа подержит пока.
Да.
Сюда пока положи, давай, папа подержит.
Папа, на.
Вот сюда ложи. Не, надави, было. Вот так возьми вот здесь. Вот, нет, смотри. Нет, не так, дай. Не. Вот так берешь. Оп, и оп, вот так. Давай. Дай-ка папа ножиком тебе начнет.
Папа.
Alright, hold on. Perfect. Start up a little bit so she can stick her finger in. Сейчас. Дай-ка папа. Look. All right, well, she's opening. Let's look at this nice green color wheels, 5-spoke wheels. Blue color with a blue, what's his name, Leonardo. Plastic top chrome all the way. High back wheels, low front ones. So there you go. She's just about opening. Later on, we might gonna do a speed test on it. So it is a Roadster. I know I have a black one and orange one, I believe, or red one. So this close 5-spoke wheel. Oh wow, that one rolled it. So anyways, Bella, покати.
Самая быстрая.
Yeah. Since that was a low ground, so that one starts. Давай. Wow, it does fly. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Those are the Hot Wheels, and have a good one.